This is a brand new 2013 Honda Accord Crosstour. This wagon has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped shift knob, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a rear window defroster, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a remote entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.